If you're looking for a versatile welding machine that can handle almost anything you throw at it, this might be the one. Today we're reviewing the ARCCAPTAIN MIG205MP 9-in-1 welder, a powerful multi-process welding machine designed for DIYers, professionals, and workshop users. It combines MIG, TIG, stick welding, plasma cutting, and more into one compact unit, plus it even comes with app control. But is this truly an all-in-one solution or just packed with features on paper? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the ARCCAPTAIN MIG205MP feels solid and well built. It has a compact yet rugged design that's perfect for garage setups or mobile jobs. The controls are clearly laid out, and the digital display makes it easy to monitor settings. Despite being a multi-function machine, it doesn't feel overly complicated. The build quality suggests it's made for regular use, whether you're working on home projects or professional tasks. This is where the machine really stands out. It offers 9 different welding and cutting functions, including MIG, pulsed MIG, flux core, spool gun for aluminum, DC TIG, lift TIG, stick welding, plasma cutting, and even cleaning mode. Instead of buying multiple machines, you get everything in one unit. This makes it extremely versatile for different types of projects, whether you're working with steel, aluminum, or other materials. For users who want flexibility, this is a huge advantage. In terms of performance, the MIG205MP delivers strong and consistent output. It supports dual voltage, 120 volts and 240 volts, so you can use it at home or in a more powerful workshop setup. The machine handles different welding processes smoothly, and the arc stability is solid, especially for MIG and stick welding. It's capable of handling light to heavy-duty tasks, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. One of the most unique features here is the built-in plasma cutter. This allows you to cut metal cleanly without needing a separate machine. For DIYers and professionals, this adds a lot of value because it expands what you can do with a single device. Whether you're cutting sheets, pipes, or metal parts, it's a useful addition that saves both space and money. A standout modern feature is the iControl app connectivity. You can connect the machine to your phone and adjust settings remotely. This makes it easier to fine-tune parameters without constantly going back and forth to the machine. It's especially helpful for beginners who want a more guided and user-friendly experience. Even with all these features, the machine is surprisingly user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, and switching between modes is straightforward. Whether you're new to welding or experienced, you'll find it easy to set up and start working. The dual voltage feature also makes it flexible for different environments. This welder is ideal for a wide range of applications. You can use it for automotive work, home repairs, fabrication projects, metal art, and even professional jobs. Its ability to handle multiple materials and processes makes it a great all-in-one solution for anyone who needs flexibility in their work. Overall, the ARCCAPTAIN MIG205MP is an impressive all-in-one welding solution that combines power, versatility, and modern features. If you're looking for a multi-process welder that can handle almost any job without buying multiple machines, this is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you go for an all-in-one welder like this or stick with separate machines?